Would you rub your face on a public toilet? Of course you wouldn't. But you know, every single time you pick up your phone, it has 18 times more bacteria on it than you would find on the flusher or the handle of a public toilet. Putting that into perspective, on the toilet handle, 13,500 bacteria, pretty scary number. On your phone, a whopping 250,000 bacteria. So that's 575 times more bacteria than you find on a kitchen counter, and 113 times more bacteria than you'd find in your pooch's dog bowl. So just think, how often are you caressing, fondling, or passing your phone around? And if you're anything like the normal person, it's at least 50 times a day, passing it to the kids, showing people a video. Think of all that bacteria being passed around. Is it any wonder then that as we caress and use our phones, that we're transmitting spots, potential illnesses, rashes, and in some cases even destroying our eyesight? And that's why we at NueVue have created these new cases. Because you can pass all that bacteria around, smear it everywhere. You could, if you want to, carry a truckload of cleaning equipments, towels, flannelettes, and sprays. Or, using our cases designed to quickly, simply, and efficiently kill bacteria and clean the screen. Now, we're a small family business and the early stages of our journey of solving this problem, and what we've done is produced a limited range of phone and tablet cases that will clean your phone and kill bacteria. So click the link around the video, and I really look forward to seeing you on the next page.